Might want to be at least in 4 high.
Yeah, I'm not in.
To be able to pull yourself up.
Yeah.
Or 4 low would be better.
Yeah,
Yeah. But no locker, you should be able to cruise right up it. Yeah, you can come back, drive her a little bit. That's fine. There you go. Woo! Yeah, much easier. Sweet. Cake. Right? Is that cake or what? Oh, look, he's gonna back down it now. No. He's like, I don't need to turn around, I'll just back down. It's a good song choice for this. Yeah. Get a little rage going on. Oh, it was? Nice. I can like hear it perfect through echoing through here. Oh yeah. Sounds like it's coming from over there.
Sounds like there's a concert going on at Red Rock Amphitheater.
No, it's crazy how I can hear it from up there.
That's hilarious.
I'm like, it sounds like all of it's coming from over there. You just stand, I don't know, maybe where am I? You just listen, I can hear it echoing through in there.
Oh yeah, that's pretty funny. It does sound like it's coming from over there.
It's hard to hear it now, but when he was screaming, I could hear it. It sounded like it was all coming from over there. Back up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That puts you a little
Like,
off
not
camera,
that.
Oh man, the skull license tag is bent.
Bend it back.
Leave the Jeep here, burn it.
Good?
Yep.
That looks good. Nice. Yep, that perfect line.
Dude, that's hilarious.
They're trying to guide you away from the hole you were putting your...
I was heading towards it again.
Yeah. Look at that.
What a trip, man. It doesn't even look like that much of an angle with a long wheelbase. Yeah, you're good, dude.
And
Not-
slow.
You're down.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah.
Not even close. Excellent.
Sure you don't want to give it a shot, Eric?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah?
Head up that way. Scott can go ahead.
Am I going to bring up the front now?
Yeah. I'll put the GoPro on and get some footage of Dayne cruising through.